Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you know you need to engage your team more, but you're not sure how to start. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video to learn how you can get 100 more tips that you can use immediately. Today's tip: create an onboarding process that rocks. Chances are good that when your new employee accepted your job offer, they were probably interviewing at other places too, perhaps even with your competitors. Just because they took your job doesn't mean that the calls from other offers will stop. In the first 2 weeks of work, your new employees are deciding if they really want to stay. If they get an offer from another company that sounds better than what they have with you, all that time, money, and effort that you spent to hire them will be wasted. So, how can you onboard your new employees better? First, connect with new employees before they start. Make their first day memorable. Introduce them across department lines. Ease them into the paperwork. Define expectations early and often. Ask for their feedback. Give them time to adjust to their new role. And communicate your culture to make sure they fit. Make sure that your new employee's first day is not leading up to their last day too quickly. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement simply by clicking on the link in the description below. See you on the site.